Learn to crochet the half double stitch with the American Crochet Association. To learn this stitch, we'll start with a slip knot. Hold your yarn and hook however you're most comfortable. For this tutorial, start by chaining 12. Now we're ready to start our first row, which is easiest to do from the back of the chain. Skip 2 chains, they don't count as a stitch, and we're going to work our first half double into the third. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. This does count as your first stitch of the row, so we're going to place 1 stitch marker into the top. Find your next stitch from the back of the chain. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook. Continue working 1 half double into each chain across until you have 10. When you've completed row 1, count the front of each half double stitches. You can count from the top of each half double stitch too. Your 10th stitch should end with the stitch marker. To begin row 2, chain 2, and then turn your work. Skip 2 chains, they don't count as a stitch, then work your first half double of row 2. This counts as your first stitch of the row, so place 1 stitch marker into the top. For this row and beyond, we're going to work through the front and back loops, not like working through just the back loop in the chain. Continue working 1 half double into each stitch across until you have 10 stitches. When you've completed row 2, count the front of each half double crochet stitch. You can count from the top of each half double stitch too. Your 10th stitch should end with the stitch marker. Repeat row 2 until 10 rows are complete. Here we can see the rows alternate between front and back, which can make counting easier. Row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After you count 10 rows, you can fasten off your work. Cut your yarn and pull the tail through the loop until a knot forms. Thank you for learning with the American Crochet Association.